Chicago's #1 news. This is ABC7 News at 4:30.
Illinois has civil unions, but same-sex marriage advocates are claiming that their rights are being violated because gay and lesbian couples cannot get a license to wed in Illinois. So the groups are suing the Cook County clerk who issues marriage licenses in Cook County. ABC7's Karen Jordan joining us with more on this legal challenge.
Well, Alan and Linda, legislation to eliminate the state law's language that prohibits gay marriage is pending, but a vote is not expected before the legislative session is scheduled to end this week. Meanwhile, recent polls show public support for same-sex marriage has steadily increased, and the plaintiffs in this case say the time for gay marriage is now. James Darby and Patrick Bova have been a couple for 48 years. They entered into a civil union last year when Illinois began offering them, but they want more.
When you start to explain to people that you have a civil union, or as some people say, you're civilized, that it doesn't ring well with a lot of people. You have to explain that it's not a real marriage.
The couple hopes lawsuits filed in Cook County will let them get married by their 50th anniversary. A total of 25 lesbian and gay couples from across the state are suing the Cook County Clerk's Office, which issues marriage licenses. They're challenging the constitutionality of a state law that denies same-sex couples the right to marry. Tanya and Kirsten Lyonsford, who live in Aurora with their 2 children, say civil unions are not enough.
Our relationship has not destroyed anything. The fact that we're together as a couple and other states have legalized marriage has not fallen apart.
They're represented by lawyers from the ACLU of Illinois and the gay advocacy group Lambda Legal. Each organization has filed a lawsuit.
By excluding these families from marriage and relegating them to civil unions, a lesser status, government has branded these families as inferior.
It's time for Illinois to treat these couples fairly. We've waited long enough for something too many take for granted.
Earlier this month, President Obama voiced his support for gay marriage, and Illinois Governor Pat Quinn has stepped up his public support for it. But Robert Gilligan with the Catholic Conference of Illinois questions whether there is an increase in public support for gay marriage.
Marriage is the union between one man and one woman, and it's a unique institution that binds parents with their biological children.
Cook County Clerk David Orr issued this response to the lawsuit, saying, quote, "The time is long past due for the state of Illinois to allow county clerks to issue marriage licenses to couples who want to make that commitment. I hope these lawsuits clear the last hurdle to achieving equal marriage rights for all." Now, it's unclear how the state will handle the legal process in this case, but attorneys are ready to take it all the way to the Supreme Court.
All right, Karen.
Okay,
thanks.
Karen.